Meaning of girl band.
Girl band.
Girl band.
Girl band.
Girl band. A girl band is a music group consisting entirely of female performers who typically sing and play instruments together. The term girl band is often used to differentiate them from boy bands, which feature male performers. Girl bands have been popular since the 1960s, with famous examples including the Supremes and the Spice Girls. More recent girl bands include Little Mix and Blackpink. These groups typically perform pop or rock music and often focus on themes such as empowerment and female solidarity. Girl bands have inspired many young women to pursue careers in music and continue to be popular around the world.